Do you ever say that you don't want to spend money on sunglasses because they always end up getting scratched or broken? Well, we want to help you take care of them. So the first rule that you need to know is that there are only two places your sunglasses can be, either on your face or in the case. How to take care of your sunglasses. I understand, it happens. We put our sunglasses in all the wrong places. We keep them on top of our heads, we put them in our pockets, we keep them in our shirts and t-shirts, we throw them in our backpacks, or we just drop them lens down on the table or wherever. Don't do that, please. Remember the phrase that I just told you? On your face or in the case. It's simple. When you're not wearing them on your face, take them off and actually put them in the case. And that way, you can keep them safe. Sounds so simple, but a lot of us don't do that. Your sunglasses come with a great case. Use it. Take it with you wherever you are. Chances are your case will protect your frames from getting broken or bent or whatever it is you might accidentally do to them. Tip 2 is when you take your frames off and put them down on a table or a counter. How do you think you should put them? Like this? Or like this? Upside down? If you put your lenses down, of course they will get scratched. Eventually, your sunglasses will get fingerprints or stains and smudges, so you'll have to clean them. You know that cleaning cloth that comes in your case along with the frames? Use it. It's fantastic. It's designed to keep your lenses clean. A lot of people do something like this to clean. Rub their lenses with the edge of their top or t-shirt, blow their breath at it and then rub their lenses on the shoulder. They just simply spit at the sunglasses and then rub it. No, please use the fantastic cleaning cloth. It's the best thing for the job. Not cotton, toilet paper, etc. Those can scratch your lens coating and you don't want that. Pro tip, use the Aqualens Spectacle Lens Cleaner or a lens solution of your choice. Why not use regular tap water or any detergent? Because it can do more harm than good. Your lenses are often layered with anti-reflective or other protective coatings that could get damaged by chemicals unless cleaned with a special solution. A little spray on the front and on the back and then gently wipe the smudges off with the cloth that comes with your case. Don't use regular glass cleaning sprays, they can damage your lens coatings. That's tip 3. Now, if you have heavy stains and smudges, food, excessive dirt on your lenses, the best way to clean them is with warm water before you can use the spray and the cleaning cloth. But first, wash your hands thoroughly with mild soap and water and then dry them. Remember, clean your eyewear with warm water that you can put your hand in, not hot water. Hot water can damage your lens coatings. Then dip the lenses into it and the warm water rinses the dirt off. Bonus tip, it's also important that approximately every 6 months, you take your sunglasses to your optician for cleaning in the ultrasound bath. This also helps clean the frames. When taking your sunglasses off, use both your hands instead of just one. Why? Taking your sunglasses off with one hand like shown in the movies looks cool, but that stretches them out and makes them loose. Using two hands keeps their alignment secure. So let's just do a quick recap of the most important stuff. On your face or in the case, it keeps your eyewear safe. When putting your frames down, don't let the lenses touch the surface. Avoid the scratches. And use a cleaning spray like the Aqualens Spectacle Lens Cleaner. Use warm water to get the heavy stains off. Remember, eyewear is delicate and prone to damage, but it also keeps our eyes safe and healthy. So let's give it a little love and care, shall we?